Do you want to know how you can log in to your My FSU account? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to One to Step. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Florida State University student portal, also known as My FSU. Go ahead and open your Chrome or Edge browser and go to the Google search bar to search for My FSU portal. Click on the first link, which is the official site of Florida State University. After you click on the first link, it will open up this login portal or this student login portal where you can write down your FSU ID and your password. After you write your correct FSU ID and password, click sign in. This way you can successfully enter the student portal of Florida State University, also known as My FSU. If you have any kind of problems in managing FSU ID or password, this is the link for you. And if you have any kind of problems in signing in, you can click this link and then you can get help. So it's quite simple, guys. All you need to do is go to Google to search for My FSU portal. Click on the first link which appears. This is the official login portal of Florida State University. It will lead you to this login portal where you can write down your FSU ID, your password, and then click sign in. I hope this video about how you can log into My FSU student portal was helpful for you. I hope you enjoyed the video. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care, and make sure you enjoy.